Don't be surprised. There's a right way to use WhatsApp for business catalog. There's a right way to go about it. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. You see, let's start with the features that you have there. Now, I'm going to go back to where you can get it. You click on this top right corner. You are going to see business tools. You see business profile. You see catalog. You click on catalog. Then you want to do something, and from your profile you should have set up this, which is the picture that comes to the back of this banner, which is showing your business name. This is Core 12 brand. Now you are going to put something under it that's going to show what people are going to get. We create beautiful memories for you and your loved ones. Let your offer, let your catalog say something about your brand. People see these things, and that is the reason why they may buy from you. If you put your brand name and you only put your brand name and there's nothing to attract them, you are telling them just go and buy and go. But with this, we create beautiful memories for you and your loved ones. How? They go to your catalog. Catalog or e-commerce website or anything like it does not really have to be very serious. People should be comfortable getting to the page, and they should try as much as possible. You should try as much as possible to make it like a very beautiful mansion. They get in a beautiful compound, they see beautiful flowers, they see this, they see that, they are comfortable. It takes them time to even come out because they are attracted. Now, how do you want to do that with your WhatsApp business catalog for your business so you can optimize it for more sales? Now, I'm going to start by teaching you first of all how to add new item. You click on how to add new item. Now you are going to see add images. You are going to see item name, price, description, more fields, blah blah blah. Now you can add as much images as you want, but I suggest that you have a minimum of 2 pictures for a product. If you have if you have less than 2, that is, if you have one, it's not bad, but it is going to make people see that you have options. Now you are going to click on add images. Let's go to my catalog and see what I have here. I have already, okay, I think I have here, and I have those 2 pictures. Let me look if I can get another one. Okay, this is the third picture. So I've picked 3 pictures here. I'm going to click. So you see what I am saying? This person that is going to click here is going to be able to see. I can't click on it and it's going to take me back to where I got the pictures from. I can see this shoe from this side, shoe from this side, and shoe from this side. That is what I'm talking about. Now I want to put a name. I'm going to say Asho multi colored Asho okay half shoe. So your product, you have an item name, price 25,000. Then you move to description. It is optional actually. You can decide to put description or no, but description helps your customers to know what they are going to get. So some people can decide to write a whole lot of stories. Actual case made from so 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 and so. The actual can be one so 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 and so. Maybe it's a digital product you are selling, or whatever you are selling, clothing or whatever you are selling. You can put a description and tell people how that product can serve them. But I like to keep it simple. I can say made with genuine Ashowoke, so that when they see your details, they'll be able to know why that justifies the price. Made with genuine Ashowoke. I'm going to go down and say and built rubber sole and fine finish. Then I'm going to add comfy. Then for casual wears, party and special occasions. Very beautiful. So I'm going to click on, if I have a website that I want people to see more details, I want them to buy from my website, or if they are looking for a coupon code or something like that, I can add a link to my website. If I want to even put, I can even put an Instagram page link that they can go to on this product itself and see the way I've created stories with this kind of product and see more videos or whatever. If I want them to see the video, so what I can do is this. I think I made a video of this product, so I'm going to go to Instagram, and I'm going to go to Instagram and look for the video I made on this. I made a video of this product. I'm going to click on it. This is the product, as you can see here. I can't add product copy link. I can't add product to my WhatsApp video to my WhatsApp catalog, but I can add a link to my WhatsApp catalog. And with this link, they can click on it as you take them to Instagram, and they're going to see the video of the product. So item code, if it has a code or something like that, then it is okay like this. It is correct like this. If you want to add female shoes and you want to add the price and all, you can add in the description. You can add female price, this and this. So you click on save. So if I'm going to look at where it's saved on, I can see it here. You can see this WhatsApp color showing on top of it. It is still under review. Now I'm going to tell you another information on this. You see, when a product is under review, it can take some minutes before it's accepted. There was a time I put a description or an item name that is showing crocodile skin. WhatsApp flagged it. They didn't allow it. I was surprised that WhatsApp could flag something like that even inside WhatsApp business catalog. They did not accept it. They also have rules that it says it goes against their policy. Maybe you're trying to sell animals or so. I don't think they allow people to sell animals on WhatsApp catalog and stuff. So maybe they don't allow it. I don't know, but maybe you may have to read the policies to know more better about it. But you have to be careful the way you itemize and name your product so that it doesn't go against their policy, and they stop you from using WhatsApp catalog. So there is one beautiful thing about WhatsApp catalog that you can also do for your customers to be able to find your products easily. For example, it can be tiring when your customer have to go this way and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And look what I have done. I have all items here, down here. My customer may not have the time to be going through and be searching for products to find, but they can actually do this. You can actually do this for them. Now I have, with Cotwell brand, we are selling different kind of products. We are selling robes, we are selling shoes, we are selling clothing, we are selling accessories. And there are shoes that are for casual wears, are for shoe for corporate wears and all. So what I did was create a collection of those products. And look at this now. I have men corporate and wedding shoes. I have Cotwell capsule collection. I have JYC robes. And if I want to add a new collection, what do? I click on add new collection, and let me say I want to add this collection of fabric fabric slippers and shoes that people may be looking for. Maybe someone is looking for fabric made shoes. Okay, so I'm going to put this collection as fabric made wears, footwears. Okay, next. Then it's going to tell me to add some products. I'm adding this, I'm adding this. So by the type of what I want to, by the type of itemizing and filtering, now I'm doing my filtering myself to make it for customers to get what they are looking for in time. If it's fabric made shoes they are looking for, this is where it is. If it's men's shoe, if it's female shoe, makes it easy for them to find. Ankara fusion, yes, it is fabric, this fabric, and many other things. Fabric. So I'm going to click on this too, and that's all. So done. It's going to save, and after it's done saving, yes, it says the collection is being reviewed. Once it's approved, your customers will see it on your catalog. How beautiful. This is the right way to set up a catalog for yourself. But but your customers will not be interested in your catalog if you don't do this. What is that I am talking about? If you don't take very beautiful pictures, if you don't take very beautiful pictures, I am possibly not going to be okay. Now I'm having this fabric made footwear here. This is a collection already, and I have native wear shoes. I have gift items. Makes it easy. That is the way you can use. That is the way you can use a WhatsApp for business catalog. Now, like I was saying, if your pictures are not beautiful, even if you do all this, your customer can get tired and get out of your page, get out of your of your catalog. That is the reason why you want to take very beautiful pictures of your fashion products. If you are taking fashion products, you want to know how to take good pictures of your products. Send me a message on Instagram or send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop links to how you can get me under this video in the description below. So that is how you can use your WhatsApp catalog properly. There are more beautiful things you can also do with it. Your customers can also click on, let me use my other line to do this. Your customers can also click on this, how your customer is going to see your catalog. It's going to come this way. This is my personal line. Let me search for this. Let's say I'm talking with somebody, I'm talking with this business now, and this is the product that this person have. This is, I'm now doing like I'm the customer now. So I'm going to see this, see all of the product. This is how I see the product. I can choose this product, and I like this product. I can add this product to the catalog, to the cart. Add items to your cart. Yes, I'm going to be able to add this item to my cart. Add to cart. Then I have a cart. Then I can come this way. The customer can also do this. You can forward the item to a friend like this, to anybody I want. The customer can share the link to anybody, and the customer can decide to share all of my catalog. And I can also do this. I can decide to share all of the catalog. I can decide to choose an item and share with them. I can decide to go to, let me use my, this is now the brand's page now. So I can decide to, from here, I am chatting with somebody. Now I'm going back to my personal personal WhatsApp to use it as a sample. Okay, so now I want to send this to a customer. I can do this and go to catalog from here and send this shoe to the customer. Let's say the customer says, can I see your boot samples? I'm just going to click here and send to my customer. Why is WhatsApp catalog very beautiful? Now the customer is seeing it now. Lace up boots, very beautiful. So why is this very good? It is good because if you use your WhatsApp catalog, you are going to make it easy for your customers to trust you as a business owner. You are going to make your customers to see that you are serious with business. And when they see you as someone that is serious with business, it is going to be easy for them to transact with you, and they trust that you are going to deliver well. That is one of the ways they can trust you. For them, not that they are going to enter into your, have access to your WhatsApp catalog and they are saying 2 3 products and that's all. Then you start scouting for pictures. Oh wait, I am coming, let me look for my pictures. I am coming, let me send you something. Hold on for me, I'm still looking for pictures online. It does not make any sense. The moment you take pictures of your products, start putting it into your catalog. Don't joke with your catalog, start putting it in your catalog. And that way you are going to be using your catalog the right way. Do you like this content? If you like this content, please tell me in the comment section. If you like this content and you want me to do more on WhatsApp, just drop a comment. Encourage me to do more of this. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. so that you can get more of my videos on how to use your phone. With your phone, you can do business. With your phone, you can earn more money. And that is what I'm going to be teaching you on this channel. Thank you very much.